Hey everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. Happy first day of August. I know today has been long anticipated by everybody that has entered into our contest. So today I'm going to announce the winners. So for those of you who weren't aware, we actually had two contests that ran this last month. We had one of them that we started for the month of July, which was for a 20-gallon Smart Pot, purple one, which is super awesome. So it was for one of those, as well as some Brussels sprouts seeds. So this one is going to be fantastic. I am super excited about it. I wish I had a purple one. I'm super excited because we just started carrying them in the store on our app. So I'm excited. Hopefully I can get in there and order some for me now too. I love them. And then we also had a giveaway that we did this last weekend. We did a $50 seed shopping spree with myself. We're gonna be going shopping and it's gonna be a fun event. So that's gonna be super fun. So we had those two different ones going and we have winners for those. So the winner for the Smart Pot and seeds are going to be to Cindy Co. I hope I said that right. So congratulations, Cindy. You are the winner of the Smart Pot. And then for the $50 seed shopping spree, that winner selected was Joshua Gordon. So both of you, congratulations. It is very exciting. What you need to do now is to email me at info@seedtospoon.net and send me your contact information, and Cindy, I will get your stuff delivered out to you, and Joshua, we will set up a time when we can go shopping together. It'll be really fun. And if you didn't win, don't worry. You know, we always do our monthly contests. This next one in August is going to be an amazing one. So make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and that you're paying attention to our monthly giveaways. And don't forget to, if you really had your heart set on that purple Smart Pot, we actually have those in our store now, and you can actually purchase directly through our app also. So it makes it super easy. Well, thank you so much for everybody who entered, and good luck next month. Make sure that you're staying tuned. Let me know if you guys have any questions and I will get back with you. See y'all later. Bye.